Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? Today I'm sharing some beautiful and amazing crochet border designs with you guys. These are the latest and beautiful crochet border designs which I'm sharing with you guys. So watch my video with full interest, and if you love my content, do share it with other people as well. Look how pretty and amazing these crochet border designs are. I'm just loving the collection. I hope that you guys would also be enjoying my video. If you are new to my YouTube channel, welcome to my YouTube channel guys. Go take a second, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you may get notified when my new video is out. I'll honestly be working hard for you guys. Inshallah, may Allah bless you all forever. Thank you for always supporting and loving my videos. It means a lot to me. We'll be bringing on amazing videos and content for you guys on a daily basis, inshallah. Keep supporting, keep watching my videos. I'll honestly be working hard for you. May Allah bless you all forever. If you have any query, you can clarify right through me in the comment section. You can use these crochet borders for decorating your shirts, trousers, handkerchief, shawls, and many much more things. It depends upon your mind creativity, how you utilize it in different ways. Thank you so much guys for taking out time to watch my video. It means a lot to me. I'll be bringing on amazing data for you guys on a daily basis, inshallah. So stay tuned to get exciting and amazing videos on a daily basis from my channel. We'll be working hard for you, inshallah, on a daily basis. May Allah bless you all. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you may get notified when my new video is out. We'll be working hard for you day and night to fulfill your requirements. Do give me honest reviews about today's video. This was it for the video. See you soon with some new and amazing content soon. Till then, enjoy my previous videos. May Allah bless you all. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Fi Amanullah. Take care.